Good morning students. In the last class we discussed about gaining ratio and also something about new profit sharing ratio. So in this class we are going to study about new profit sharing ratio, and on the basis of this we will solve some of the problems. Okay. So here we have the formula, that is new profit sharing ratio is equal to old share plus share gain. Old share means as per the old profit sharing ratio how much is the share of the partners, plus share gain means as per the gaining ratio. After finding the gaining ratio, whatever the share is that is added to old share, then we will find the new profit sharing ratio. As per this formula, on the basis of this only we will solve some of the problems now.
See, here we have a problem. Alka, Harpreet and Shreya are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. Alka retires and her share is taken up by Harpreet and Shreya in the ratio of 3:2. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, Alka, Harpreet and Shreya are the partners here, and 3:2:1. 3:2:1 ratio here we have. This is old profit sharing ratio, and next Alka retires from this partnership firm and her share is taken up by Harpreet and Shreya in the ratio of 3:2. Means here 3:2:1 ratio is there, no old profit sharing ratio. In that Alka's share is 3/6. Her share is shared by Harpreet and Shreya. In which ratio? In the ratio of 3:2. Okay. So we need to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. As you know, old profit sharing ratio is there here. Here we have old profit sharing ratio. By analyzing this question, after going through this question, we need to solve the problems. Okay, see when old profit sharing ratio is given and retired partners share is shared by Harpreet and Shreya, or remaining partners means continuing partners, then we need to calculate the new profit sharing ratio on the basis of old profit sharing ratio and by finding the gain ratio also. Okay, when we find the gain ratio, we can easily find out the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, here we have this problem. Now we will solve the problem.
So we need to solve this problem with the old profit sharing ratio. So the old profit sharing ratio is old profit sharing ratio is equal to, which is given in the problem, that is 3:2:1. Okay, old profit sharing ratio which is given in the problem, that is 3:2:1. After that they gave the information that Alka retires and her share is taken up by Harpreet and Shreya in the ratio of 3:2. That is called as agreed ratio, because when old profit sharing ratio is given, which is after that, if any partner retires from the partnership firm, then the continuing partners will be there, no? They share the share of the retired partner. Here they means continuing partner share the share of retired partner in the ratio of 3:2. This is agreed ratio. They decided that ratio. Okay. So here Alka's share is 3/6 and next Harpreet next Shreya. Okay. So Alka's share is 3/6. 3 plus 6 plus 1, 6, and Alka's share is 3, so 3/6. Okay. Next Harpreet's share is 2/6 is to 1/6. This is the share of Shreya. Okay. When this ratio means old profit sharing ratio is given, there will be agreed ratio. If in the question agreed ratio is given, we need to calculate gain ratio with the help of old profit and also with the help of agreed ratio. So we will start the solving this one. So we need to write the given information. Given information is whole profit sharing ratio. Another one is agreed ratio. Okay, agreed ratio is equal to 3:2. Okay. Next, as we know in the question, they asked us to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old share plus share gain. Means already we have old profit sharing ratio. For that we need to add share gain. Means how much share they gained after retirement of the partner. That we need to add. For adding that, we need to calculate gaining ratio, isn't it? Means gain ratio we need to calculate. So first we will calculate gain ratio with the help of this one. So share gain, agreed ratio is there. After that we need to calculate share gain, because for the purpose of calculating new profit sharing ratio we need gain ratio. That's why we are calculating. Okay, share gain is equal to share of retiring partner into agreed share. Okay. For this, calculating share gain, we need share of retiring partner and also agreed share. Agreed share ratio is there, no? That is 3/6, 3/5 is to 2/5. Okay. Share of retiring partner, which is given in the problem only. So using that we will calculate the share gain by each part. Each partner means Alka retired, Harpreet and Shreya's share, how much they gain after retirement of Alka, that we need to calculate now. Okay, I will calculate that one. So therefore, share gain by remaining partners or continuing partners who are there here in this problem, Harpreet and Shreya. Okay, because Alka retired. That's why share gain by Harpreet. You can also write like this: share gain by Harpreet. Otherwise, you can write Harpreet share gain from retired partners. Okay, share gain by Harpreet, that is equal to share of retiring partner. Share of retiring partner. Retiring partner means here Alka retired, and Alka's share how much? 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. 3. 3/6 is the retiring partner share into agreed ratio. Here we have agreed ratio. Harpreet's share in this agreed ratio, how much is there? 3/5. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 is the share of Harpreet. So 3/5. Okay. So 6 5s are how much? 30. 3 3s are 9. Okay. 9/30 is the share which is gained by Harpreet from Alka. After retirement of Alka, Harpreet gained 9/30 share from the Alka. Okay. So this is the calculation related to share gained by Harpreet. Now we will calculate the share of Shreya, which is gained from Alka. Okay. I will calculate here. Share gained by whom? By Shreya is equal to, you can continue here, sir. Wait a minute. I'll try to leave here. share gain by Shreya is equal to retiring partner share how much? There Alka's share is 3 by 6 into 3 is to 2 is to 1 was the old profit sharing ratio and agreed ratio was 3 by 3 is to 2. So 2 by 5 is the agreed ratio. Okay, this is 3 by 6 Alka's share means retiring partner share into 2 by 5 because this is the agreed share of Shreya. Okay, 2 by 5. Okay, now I will have one. 6 5 is how much? 6 5 is 30. 3 into 2 6. Okay, we got the gain ratio now. So new share. After calculating the gain which is shared by the continuing partners, the gain which is acquired from the retiring partner. Okay, when Alka retired, after that we acquired the share of her. Means B means continuing partners. Harpreet and Shreya acquired her share. Now we got share gain by them. After that we need to calculate the new share. Means new profit sharing ratio we need to calculate. For that we have the formula new share is equal to old share plus share gain. There we found the share gain by Harpreet. Harpreet's share was 9 by 10, 9 by 30 and Shreya's share was 6 by 30. Okay, this is the share of Harpreet and Shreya. Now we will find new share of Harpreet and Shreya. Okay, here we have the information. See, share gained by Harpreet is equal to old share. Harpreet's old share means 3 is to 2 is to 1 was the old profit sharing ratio. Here Alka retired. Harpreet's share is 2 by 6 and Shreya's share is 1 by 6. Okay, we will take the same share. Okay, old share of Harpreet is 2 by 6. 2 by 6 plus share gained by Shreya. Shreya gained how much? 9 by 30 share. Okay, and we need to equalize the denominator. That's why we multiply this one. 6 5 is how much? 30. No? So 6 into 5 and numerator also with the 5 we are going to multiply. So how much will get? 30. 6 5 is 30. So denominator is 30 and 5 into 2 10 plus 9. How much? We will get 19 by 30. 19 by 30. This is new share of Harpreet. Okay. Now I calculate the share of Shreya. That's why share gained by Shreya is equal to Shreya's old share how much? Already we calculated, that is 6 by 30. No, old share is 1 by 6. 3 is to 2 is to 1. As per this 1 by 6 is her share. That's why 1 by 6 into the share gained by Shreya, that is 6 by 30. Okay. Now we need to equalize this one. That's why we will multiply the denominator and numerator with 5 only. So how much we will get? I'll write here result. 30. 5 ones are 5 plus 6. How much? 11 by 30. So 11 by 30 is the share of Shreya. Shreya's share is 11 by 30. We found this new share of Shreya. Now we need to simplify this one because we are finding a new profit sharing ratio. So new profit sharing ratio Here we have 19 divided by 30 and here we have 11 by 30. So 19 divided by 30 is to 11 divided by 30, that is equal to 19 is to 11. This is the new profit sharing ratio. How we find this ratio? By calculating gain ratio. That was already calculated. That is 9 by 30 and 6 by 30 means share gained by the continuing partners as per agreed rate with the help of agreed ratio and old share. Then we found new profit sharing ratio with the help of old share and share gain. Okay, that is calculated. Gain ratio is calculated with the help of retired partner share and the agreed ratio. This is calculated with the help of old share and share gain. Now we calculated share gain by Harpreet is equal to 2 by 6. This is old profit sharing ratio as per that her share. Plus 9 by 30. This is share gain by Harpreet. We multiplied 5 because we need to equalize the denominator. Because 30 and 6 was that. That's why we multiplied 5 and we got 19 divided by 30. Like that we did for Shreya's share also. That is share gain by Shreya. That is equal to 1 by 6 into 6 by 30. For equalizing another time we multiplied 5 and we got 5 plus 6 divided by 30 and 11 by 30 is the new share of Shreya. Finally we got the new profit sharing ratio, that is NPSR is equal to 19 by 30 is to 11 by 30. Finally we got 19 is to 11 as the new profit sharing ratio. This is first problem.
Dear students, you can observe another problem here we have, that is Murali, Naveen and Om Prakash are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3 by 8, 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. Murali retires and surrenders 2/3 of his share in favor of Naveen. Okay, so among Murali, Naveen and Om Prakash, Murali retires and he surrenders 2/3 of his share, means only a portion, that is 2/3 of total his share he surrenders, and it is shared or it is acquired by Naveen and Om Prakash. Okay, 2/3 of share is surrendered to Naveen and remaining share 2/3, 1 minus 2/3 if we make, how much remaining means 1/3. Okay, 1/3 is in the favor of Om Prakash. Okay, see here 2/3 of share of Murali, it is surrendered and it is shared to Naveen, and in favor of Om Prakash remaining share is given, that is 1/3 share. Okay, next calculate new profit sharing and gain ratio of the remaining partners, means we need to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Along with that we need to calculate gain ratio of the remaining partners. Who are remaining partners or continuing partners here? Here Naveen and Om Prakash are the continuing partners. Their gain ratio and also NPSR means new profit sharing ratio we need to calculate. Okay,
Information. Next slide. For that purpose, calculate share gain. Share gain means gain ratio. Share gain is equal to share of, as you know the formula, share of retiring partner into the share which is surrendered. In the last problem, we took share of retiring partner. Along with that, we use the agreed ratio, isn't it? But here we can't use the agreed ratio because they didn't give the agreed ratio. They gave the information about the surrendered share, means the retiring partner surrendered his share. About that we have the information. That's why while calculating share gain, means gain ratio, we need to use the share of retiring partner, share of retiring partner, and also into share surrender. Okay, share surrender means the retiring partner is he gave his share to Naveen and Om Prakash. That's it. So in the last problem, instead of share surrender, we wrote there aggression. Okay, now we are using the share surrender. Why we are using this word? Because in this problem they gave the information about the share which is surrendered by retired partner, but in the last problem they gave the information about aggression by the continuing partners. Okay, now we have this much information. Using that we solve the problem. Now so share gained by the continuing partners. Share gained by continuing partners means Murali retired, remaining partners Naveen and Om Prakash. So first we will calculate share gained by Naveen is equal to share of retiring partner. Retiring partner share is 3/8, isn't it? So 3/8 into share surrender. Share surrender to whom? To Naveen. Okay, that is 2/3, isn't it? 2/3. So that is equal to 8 3s are 24 and 3 2s are how much? 6. Okay, 6/24 is the share of Naveen. Now we will calculate the share of Om Prakash. Okay, I got this one. You can remember this one. So 2/3 is the share of Naveen. The remaining share we need to calculate, that is 1/3, and multiply by 3/8 only for calculating the share of Om Prakash. Okay. Now I will calculate the share gained by Om Prakash. Om Prakash share we need to calculate. So the retired partner share is 3/8 divided by 3/8 into remaining share in which we need to calculate, that is 1/3. Okay, 1/3. How we got this share? We got this share by, I'll calculate this one by with a bracket, that is remaining share is equal to 1 minus 2/3, that is equal to 1/3. Okay, so 1/3 we got like this. See, this is the share of Naveen. 2/3 share is which is surrendered to Naveen by whom? By Murali. Murali gave 2/3 share to Naveen. Remaining share in 3, 2 is given to whom? Naveen. Then remaining share how much? 1/3. 1 minus 2/3 means 3 ones are 3 minus 2, that is 1/3. Okay, this one you know, and this is the share which we wrote here. Okay, 3/8 into 1/3, that is equal to 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3. So this is the share of Om Prakash. Now we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So new share is equal to old share plus share gain. The same formula we use here. New share is equal to old share plus share gain. Means already how much share we have and additional share which is acquired from the retiring partner. So therefore share gained by gained by Naveen or you can write a new share of, okay? New share of Naveen. You can write share gained, new share gained by Naveen, or otherwise you can write new share of Naveen. Okay, this is equal to old share. How much we have? The old share was like this: 3/8 is to 1/2 is to 1/8. So this is the old profit sharing ratio. This is the share of Murali. Now Naveen share is 1/2. 1/8 is the share of Om Prakash. Okay. So old share of Naveen that is 1/2. New share of Naveen that is 1/2 is equal to 1/2 means his old share plus share gain. Share gain means now we got the share with the help of old share, isn't it? So how we calculated that? That is calculated with the help of retiring partner's share and also with the help of the share surrendered by retiring partner, isn't it? So now we are calculating new share of Naveen. Old share is 1/2 and share gain which is calculated before this calculation, that was 6/24, isn't it? So 6/24. We need to equalize this one. 24. 2 into 12. 24. That's why we are multiplying 12 with the numerator and denominator. So we got the value that is 24. 12 2s are 24. 12 1s are 12 plus 6. That is equal to 18 divided by 24. 18 divided by 24. This is the new share of Naveen. Now we need to calculate new share of Om Prakash. That is equal to the old share of Om Prakash is 1/8 plus new share is, here we have 3/24, isn't it? So 1 divided by 8 plus 3/24. 8 3s are 24. 1 3 3. Okay, why we are multiplying this number with the 3? Because we need to equalize the numerator so that we can simplify this one, this calculation. So 24, 8 is 24, 3 1s are 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6 divided by 24. How you got this? 1/8 is the old share. This is the share gained by the continuing partners, means Om Prakash, and 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3 plus already we have 3, so we got 6/24. Okay, we got this one. So now we need to write the new profit sharing ratio, that is new profit sharing ratio is equal to, we have here 6/24 and Naveen share is 18 divided by 24. Naveen share how much? 18 divided by 24 and Om Prakash share is 6/24. So 18 divided by 24 is to 6 divided by 24. If we simplify this one, we will get 3/4. 6 1s are 6 4s are and 6 3s are 6 4s are. Okay, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. Okay, after simplifying that we got 3/4 3 by 4 is to 1 by 4. The final new profit sharing ratio is 3 is to 1. Okay, this is new profit sharing ratio. We need to calculate gain ratio also. Before this, we calculated share gain by Naveen and Om Prakash. Using that, we will solve the we'll calculate the gain ratio. So, gain ratio. Therefore, gain ratio is equal to the Naveen gained some share. No, so share gain by Naveen was 6 by 24. That is 6 by 24 is to 3 by 22. Okay, this is the share gain by Naveen, and then next we have the share of Om Prakash. So denominator is same. That's why you can simplify this one also. If we simplify, 6 ones are 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24. So we got 2 is to 1. Otherwise you can write 6 is to 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Like that is simplifying. Otherwise like this you can simplify and write the gain ratio. So we got gain ratio 2 is to 1 and new profit sharing ratio, that is 3 is to 1. So this is about today's class. In the next class we will discuss much more problems.